Hello friends, let's learn to make these beautiful Tikuli Art coasters for your home, which are super easy to do and will bring a very nice ethnic vibe to your house. For this, you will need 4 wood slices, which I've ordered from Amazon. These are 3.5 inches in diameter, black paint, white paint, and any other colors of your choice. Tikli art is an 800-year-old art form which originated in Bihar. This is a folk art which was inspired by the tiklis or bindis that were worn by ladies at that time. The background of tikli art is always black and the foreground has very bright colors. So as a first step, I have colored the background in black acrylic paint. Then I figured out the center of this circle by cutting a paper in a very easy way and drawing a circle which is symmetrical across all 4 coasters. I have drawn my tickly design on each with a pencil, but you will not be able to see it due to the lighting in the camera. These are very easy freehand drawings that anybody can draw because there is no accuracy as such that's needed. You can also trace the existing design and transfer it on this using a carbon paper, whatever you're comfortable with. Tikali art generally focuses on the day to day lives of women because these were intricate designs which were done on the bindis of these women many years ago. To identify a classic Tikali art, you need to see the black background and the white border around the women, their intricate dressing, and themes around daily lives. This is one of the rare folk arts which uses a 000 brush to achieve intricate designs on a really small size. So, as you know, in all my paintings, there is a theme of spirituality. So, along with these 3 women, the fourth one I'm painting Lord Krishna. So, I've mixed white with a little bit of blue to create Lord Krishna's skin, while the others you can use yellow or brown, light brown color to create the skin tone. Now we'll pick one color at a time and try to create vibrant paintings by painting different shades of red, blue, yellow for each of them. You can do any color in their dresses as you feel like. I'm now speeding up the video so that we can quickly finish all the red parts. I'm painting a mala garland of red flowers in her hand. Now we come to the second color which I'm using, yellow. So we'll color yellow wherever we feel is going to look good. The next color I'm choosing is green and the last one is blue. So wherever it's left out, we'll do blue. Light brown color for the Bansuri of Lord Krishna and the earthen pot. I was not quite happy with the initial border, so I'm coloring it red because I wanted it to look very vibrant. All 4 borders we will do red and then we will use yellow color to make nice dots on it. Here I'm painting 4 themes. The first lady is carrying a garland for the god. The second one is lighting a diya. The third one is making butter for Lord Krishna. And the last one is Krishna himself. For the border, again I'm drawing a classic tikli design. These are dots which we will use to make flowers. I'm using a dotting tool, but you can use a ballpoint pen also. Same way, we will do all the borders in a very similar fashion. Now for finishing, I am using a black marker using which I will draw the eyes of the figures I will also draw borders wherever I think the color has spilled over. Just some detailing will really help. If you think the white border is not coming out effectively, you can use this 3D marker from Fevicryl. It's completely optional. I just try to use it because it will give a nice 3D look to the artwork. Very clean borders. And here's the final look. I'm so happy the way they turned out. Do tell me in comments what you think about this. Enjoy your tea with your beautiful coasters, and I will see you next week.